Hi, I'm Jay with Family Handyman, and I've recently had some conversations with some maintenance experts that gave me some great tips I want to share with every homeowner out there. If we have carpet in our houses, most likely we also have carpet stains. This is Proxy's Spray and Walk Away Carpet Cleaner, and it is just that simple. We spray it on and walk away. Now this stain here is a food-based stain, and we should see results within 15 to 20 minutes. It does all the work. Now glass cooktops are fantastic, but they can be hard to clean. A tip I learned was to use Ceramibrite cooktop cleaner and, of all things, a razor blade. Once this stuff is on and does its work, we can come back and scrape it off with the razor. It's glass after all, and it won't be damaged. The razor blade and that grime and burnt on sauce comes right off. Now, whether you're a homeowner or a renter, we've all got to deal with damage to the walls. And while we might reach for the spackling compound, I want to suggest you try something different. This is Durham's Rock Hard Water Putty. It comes as a powder and we mix it with water. The benefit of using this is that it's a lot stronger than spackling compound. It can span a larger hole, it can even do corners and remain super hard. A trick I learned was to wait until this is almost dry and then come by with a larger knife and scrape it. It will reduce the amount of sanding we need to do and give us a better finish. So I hope you can find some use for these ideas around the house. For more great maintenance tips, visit familyhandyman.com.